Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in fact, today we're going to be looking at something very interesting. So last week we spoke about just the sales funnel and getting things set up. Today I want to talk to you guys about split testing or A/B testing. Okay, it's a Wednesday. I love sharing this content. I want to make it easy enough for you guys to follow and have the right mindset behind it. So let me hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen and I am going to be talking about system.io. I'm jumping into this because I do not want this video to be too long, first and foremost. And I want to give you guys the information on split testing, why it's so important, how you can actually do it, what are the methods, and so on and so forth. Understand that in general, data collection within your marketing is kind of the opens your eyes and your horizons to building long term. A lot of people don't like it. I know that. I'm aware of that. But I'm giving you guys really a secret hack, if you want to call it like that. But it is knowing your numbers, because the more time you spend knowing these things and knowing these numbers and paying attention to the skill sets and the sales funnel and your conversions and so on, the better it is. You can first and foremost give to your actual customers. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you're sharing with somebody, you're still adding value to your email list, right? You're still adding value to whoever is purchasing that product or service that you're talking about. So for example, if I'm sharing system.io to somebody, I'm recommending system.io, but I want to be able to confidently and assertively share the tool with another person. One, because I'm using it, but also when you do these things and understand these numbers, you're giving the best information for that person, what they're looking for. So you're thinking about the customer at the end of the day. And this is in any kind of marketing and any kind of sales. Why am I saying this? Because it's a customer journey, whether it is your customer or a third person's customer, because as an affiliate, it's not really your customer. You're sending people to somebody else. So they're becoming a final another person's customer, not your own. But in general, I just want to say this, that knowing your numbers is super important. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. Let's jump into exactly what A/B testing is. But as you guys can see, I created this channel. I've been building this channel to create awareness, to talk about my skill sets, to talk about my journey with affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job, but it's something that I do on the side, and I document my journey using this channel. So if you're interested in following that, if you're interested in using the same tools or services that I'm sharing over here, and if you guys suggest anything and I'm using it, then obviously I will make these videos for you as well, because I think it's a learning experience that we have. So this is my kind of hub for the awareness. And then if you want to, check out any of my resources, check out anything that I'm doing, then all those links are in the description of this video. Otherwise, let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about system.io specifically. If you guys don't know, system.io is an all-in-one marketing tool that I personally use for my email marketing, for my sales funnel creation, for my course creation, for my hosting. Everything for under the sun is done through system.io. Now you can definitely connect this to other tools. It is possible. It's not really that, for example, let's say you want to build it only for sales funnel and connect SendFlow through an API. Let's say this is technical. I'm telling you that this is technical. Don't get scared about it. But it said that you want to connect the two, you can. Okay, there are methods that you can do that. It is not integrated within the system, but you can definitely connect the tool. It is possible. It's a software company at the end of the day. It has great services, and in fact, I will say the advantage of being on the paid plan is specifically the customer support, because they answer you so quickly that it is an amazing support to have. This tool is what I'm going to be talking about. Okay, so now I don't personally have testing and A/B testing in general. The best thing to do is to have a tracking software. Now, personally, I don't use any tracking software, because I don't know if you are like me, but I got started as a side hustle with affiliate marketing, and I'm using system.io because it is the best financially, or let's say economically available tool out there in the marketplace at the moment. You can start free, you can go to a decent size, and even on a 97, which is an unlimited plan, you are getting much more value, in my opinion, than most of the tools out there that exist. Okay, there are pros and cons to everything. But that being said, I use system.io to do all my tracking, which means I connect it to other things. For example, if I'm sharing a blog, then I use Google Tag Manager to be able to connect the two. I'm not going to get into those things right now, but these are the backend trackings, right? And then if you're an affiliate, I did a couple of videos back. I did a video on how to track your links with System.io as an affiliate. Okay, it's an affiliate for System.io, but they have some already good data points that are available within the tool itself. So let me just log in. This is my account. Okay, as you guys can see, I have funnels, I have emails, I do everything pretty much with this tool right here. Now, what I'm going to do is share with you the different statistical points that exist. So first and foremost, you have the funnels. Let's just go to funnels. Okay, in funnels, you have stats. Okay, so you have automation rules right here. You have automation rules, you have A/B testing, and then you have stats. We're going to go to A/B testing in a second, but I just want to show you what it gives you, right? So when you create a funnel, basically you're also creating statistics from it. So as you send traffic to it, so for example, and this is since the beginning of my funnel, which I made mistakes in the beginning, so the conversions were not the best, and now it's improving. So I'm sure that by the end, if you look at this overall, it will be much higher, not 21. If you look at, let's say, this month or only, just to give you guys an idea, the statistics is right now actually 14 for this month because of the amount of clicks I have. But even if we look at last month, let's see how it is, because I know I need to improve that. Last month was 16 also. So I do need to improve my conversion rate because my conversion rate was much higher and now it's gone below. And that's why it gets me to my A/B testing. So as you guys can see right here, you know that the conversion is not the greatest. Okay, but now I just want to show you that this conversion right here is already taking into consideration landing page 2. Okay, so ideally this conversion rate is higher. Let's just be very open and go to April, which should give the more realistic results of this conversion. This is also 17% here, as you guys can see. So that's, hovering around 20% is what I'm getting. Let's do May just to give you guys a little bit more, insight. Here we have 19%. And so ever since I think March was fine. And just to show you guys, okay, here is 30%. Okay, so definitely after March I made some changes, I did some certain things, and my conversion dropped. So this is all to show you that statistics are important, whether you do something right or whether you do something wrong. I definitely did something wrong, and now I'm testing things to get it back to the way it should be. So if I go to this month and I just put on to check it out, you'll see that this landing page right here, which has got one is 14% conversion rate, and this landing page 2 is got 21% conversion rate. So technically this landing page 2 with the same amount is doing much better than this one right here. And I'm just talking to you about these numbers to show you how and whether it makes sense or not. Okay, the reason behind all of this is because I want to make sure that you have the key value. Now obviously I'm not counting the sales as such, because if you guys have been following me for X amount of time, you know that I have a course, basically a course that teaches affiliate marketing essentials, and it's a €1 course, as you guys can see. So it's just a lead magnet basically, and I get sales from that, but the main thing is for me to focus on building my email list. Sometimes I get sales, sometimes I don't. Obviously I want to get more sales there, but that's not the main aim. The main aim is to get them onto my email list, and obviously if they take advantage and take that value and get that course, they are going to it makes sense. It's the way to entry for me, but I filter out everybody this way. Now this is one thing of seeing the statistics in your funnels. Then you have your email statistics that you can also find within your right here, okay, within email statistics. And also you can go to your campaigns, and if you open a campaign, I'll just open mine to show you guys, you'll see that there are email statistics right here. So how many email opens, how many clicks, and so on and so forth, right? And if you want to see individually for each email, you can literally see it the same way. So you see that this has a 725 opens, 8% click-through rate, and 20% 0.1 and yeah, 0.93% bounce rate. So everything is here. I can see who's clicked, who's not, all these kind of information. So just to give you guys an idea, there are these different statistics, and what we're going to be looking at right now is A/B testing. So funnels, I'm going to do it quick as I can, so that we are, getting into it. What is an A/B test, guys? An A/B test is basically a way to test two pages and see what converts better. So let's say we take advantage of the skill sets within your sales process, which is copywriting. Okay, You want to make sure that you have the right intent in your sales funnel, the right intent in your in the whole stage of your customer journey. So when somebody comes now to this page, for example, you'll see my landing page right now is testing two pages right here. One is showing conversion rate for the first one, and then this is the second landing page right here. If you can see, it's a 50-50 split. So first one is doing actually slightly better. The conversion rate is slightly better, and the second one conversion rate is so-so. Okay, but it's just to show you how to set this up. This is how it will look. It's too early to tell. The reason why it's too early to tell is, as you can see, I just started on the 6th of June, sorry, on the 25th of June. So that is literally, a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Okay, so it's too less of data unless I have a lot of traffic coming in, a lot of advertising coming in. To make sure that I have a clear idea, for me, I will minimum run this A/B test for the next 3 months before I make any changes. Why? Because first and foremost, I already have a 50-50 split of the traffic. So all the advertising that's coming right now, it's a live A/B test. It's not, on the background. It's a live A/B test. So some of my, let's say I'm getting 1,000 clicks, 500 clicks will get my original landing page, and the 500 clicks will get the variant landing page. So from those 1,000 clicks, I will be able to now see which is converting better. And after those 1,000, 2,000, whatever, so 3 months would be for me at least minimum 3,000 clicks that I get. Minimum, okay? That's on the minimum side. 3,000 clicks. From that 3,000 clicks, I will be able to at least say which is converting better and keep that as the main one. And then if I want to apply a new one, I might start A/B testing a new page as well, just to, make sure that I have the optimal page. My conversion rate that I want, so right now it's around 15, 10 and 15, which is not the best. As you guys saw, my conversion rate dropped. So now what I'm trying to do is enter into the logic of I want to A/B test to get my landing page back to the 30%, 50% and more. So how do I get to that stage? And I want to be authentic in getting to that stage. I want to be testing and getting that stage. I want to show you guys the numbers. So it's not always a smooth journey. You have to go through the testing, give it time, and A/B testing allows you that time. This is how you split test things. And now I'm doing it on a landing page, but you can do the same thing, let's say, for the VSL. Okay, so let's say I want to A/B test the VSL. I can come here and A/B test a VSL. So this is the original VSL. Let's say I create a long form VSL right now, which is video sales letter. Now the original one I have is really short form. So I want to see whether short and long form video sales letter, which works better. So I have these two and I run traffic. And now let's see the conversion rate of these two, which means who's going to go to the order form the most. Okay. And that's what's going to give me the information that I need to keep one of those two. Why? Because we don't want to hinder our starting phase. We start and then we want to use A/B testing to be able to improve, improve, improve. The goal here is to improve. Now, guys, so that we're super clear, if I go to the pricing, I want to share with you that even on a free plan, you can have at least one A/B test. So say you want to have a landing page and you want to have a second landing page just to test things out. You can do that with a free plan. So you don't need to have a paid plan. But anything more than one A/B test, you need to definitely have a paid plan that's there. So in the description of this video, you'll have a link to not only the monthly plan, I'll leave a monthly plan as well, but I will, if you want to save 30% more, just go for the annual one and you'll be able to save 30%. Basically, instead of spending $27 every single month, you'll be spending about $19 every single month. So that's the difference between the two. But obviously, you're paying annually for that. I just wanted to mention that you can still do this, what I'm sharing with you, on a free plan. Remember, you don't need to go to the pay plan. That's absolutely your choice. But if you do decide to do it, I would suggest to go to the annual plan. But yeah, that is what A/B testing is. How do you do it? Basically, I'm just going to show you. We click on A/B testing. Let's say we want to test a new VSL, right? You choose variant. You basically choose the variant page. You obviously need to create the page first, but I'm just going to show as an example. Let's say we want VSL module 2.3. Okay, and what's the goal? The goal is the order form, and that's it. Say if the goal was something else, in this case, the thank you page, which would be a nice thing because then you know for sure that you're getting sales there. If the goal is the thank you page, then you know for a fact that this is what's happening, right? So that's what I'm checking out right here. You basically do it. select your pages, select your goal page, and based on that goal page, you will see that it has this, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has this two arrows that are split testing. That basically means an A/B test that's happening. And what's the goal is basically here for the A/B test. Okay, so it shows all on the page right here. You can create as many pages as you want. You can test as many pages as you want just to see, which one works best. And it's highly recommended in my opinion because any kind of A/B testing will allow you to get better results. But remember, guys, I'm going to say this again. It is long term. You have to give it time to collect the data so that the data tells you a story. If you don't know the story that what your audience likes or doesn't like, then you're not going to be able to apply that. That's how we keep the customer in mind and still give a valuable product and service to everybody that's available. Guys, I hope this video was educational, helpful to you in any way, shape, or form. I am definitely gonna be here next week for another video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true and tune in for the next video. See you guys on Friday.